Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best wire tracer is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any electrician or DIY enthusiast tackling electrical projects. Whether you're dealing with hidden wires in walls, ceilings, or even underground, this device will save you time and prevent potential hazards. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wire tracers, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Klein Tools 80016 Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. This complete kit offers high performance and great value. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. You'll find it's a smart choice for any electrician. This tool kit helps you quickly find the right circuit breaker for outlets and fixtures. It saves you valuable time and reduces effort. It's a must-have for accurate circuit identification. The digital receiver provides clear visual and audible signals. You'll know instantly when the correct breaker is located. This feature ensures accuracy and ease of use. It works on 90-120V AC circuits, making it suitable for many applications. Whether you're working in a home or a commercial building, it's designed to handle the job. This versatility makes it a great tool. The transmitter has a built-in GFCI outlet tester. This allows you to inspect wiring and test GFCI devices. This feature adds an extra layer of safety and functionality. The kit includes a 3-prong to 2-prong grounding adapter. This enhances compatibility with various outlets. These accessories make the kit even more useful. The light socket adapter allows for easy circuit identification in lighting fixtures. This feature simplifies the process of finding the right circuit. It's a convenient addition to the kit. What we like. This kit is a complete solution, offering everything you need in one package. It accurately identifies circuits and tests GFCI outlets, ensuring safety and efficiency. If you're a homeowner or electrician looking for a comprehensive and reliable toolset, this is the one for you. What people say. This circuit breaker finder was super easy to use and worked exactly as expected. Using professional tone technology, the ET310 accurately traces circuits and identifies breakers. Beyond circuit tracing, the ET310 also functions as a receptacle polarity, ground tester, and GFCI tester. Number 4. Klein Tools VDV 500-820 Wire Tracer Kit. This kit includes a professional-grade analog tone generator. It helps you trace open-ended, non-energized wiring accurately and efficiently. The tone generator features 5 distinct tone cadences. It can transmit signals over 1,000 feet, ensuring reliable tracing capabilities. It has rugged angled bed of nails, ABN, clips. These clips securely attach to wires, providing a stable connection during tracing operations. The kit includes an RJ11 plug. This plug easily connects to telephone and RJ45 data jacks, allowing for convenient toning of wire pairs. The device tests for continuity and polarity. Clearly labeled LEDs indicate the results for easy interpretation. The probe features a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is for use in noisy environments, ensuring clear audio feedback during tracing. The probe comes with a responsive probe. It is equipped with a durable non-metallic, replaceable conductive tip for long-lasting performance and precise tracing. What we like. This is a professional-grade tone generator, perfect for complex wiring projects. It offers multiple tone cadences and secure wire attachment for reliable tracing. If you are working with a lot of wires and need a tool that can handle any situation, you should consider it. What people say. Excellent, was able to find a short easily and accurate, also found a bad burned up wire in the wall, cut open the wall and found the burned up wire, nice. Worked great for tracing Ethernet wires for a PoE security system. The wires disappeared and reappeared throughout the house, and this made quick work of know where each wire terminated, cut, etc. I purchased this with the intent on using this on 14-gauge Romex and it worked perfectly. Circuit was off obviously. I needed to chase down some weird line of Romex and see where it went so I could remove it from the panel. The toner picked up the wire with ease and I was able to isolate and remove the wire. Number 3. Extech TG20 Wire Tracer Kit. This kit helps you quickly identify wire pairs. It's a convenient tool for anyone working with electrical wiring. It makes the process much easier and more efficient. The TG20 can also check for continuity. This feature ensures that the wires are properly connected. It is an essential function for troubleshooting electrical circuits. You can test the telephone line polarity with this device. This is important for ensuring proper phone line function. It helps to quickly diagnose any issues. The transmitter comes with output cables that are terminated in a modular RJ11 phone connector. This makes it easy to connect to telephone lines. This feature simplifies the setup process. The adjustable sensitivity control improves wire identification. It also eliminates false detection. This ensures accurate results every time you use it. Easily trace wires from source to termination with this kit. It simplifies the process of finding wires. It is a great tool for any electrician or DIY enthusiast. What we like. It features an RJ11 connector and adjustable sensitivity, making it easy to use. The continuity testing ensures you get accurate results. If you need a simple and effective tool for basic wire tracing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The device is easy to use and offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for tracing wires and identifying breaks or shorts. The built-in tone generator is a great feature that allows you to easily locate wires even in crowded or hard-to-reach areas. The ability to trace both shielded and unshielded wires is also a major plus, as it allows you to work on a variety of projects. Number 2. Klein Tools VDV 500-705 Wire Tracer Kit. This is the Klein Tools Wire Tracer Kit. It makes wire tracing simple. It's designed for open-ended, non-active wire runs, making your job easier. The probe has a durable, non-metallic tip. This ensures accurate and reliable wire tracing. It's built to last and provide consistent results. The kit includes alligator clips. These clips make it easy to connect to unterminated wires. This provides convenience during testing. It also comes with an RJ45 to RJ45 test cable. This allows for seamless connectivity during testing and wire mapping. This helps you get the job done quickly. The toner and probe work together to perform a pin-to-pin wire map test. This ensures thorough wire mapping and identification. It helps you identify any issues. The probe tip is equipped with a work light. This enables use in dark spaces or low light conditions. This improves visibility. It features adjustable volume control. This allows for customized audio output. You can optimize the tracing experience in different environments. What we like. This kit makes wire tracing easy with its simple analog tone generator. The durable probe tip and work light make it ideal for use in any environment. If you like a tool that is easy to use and can handle any situation, you should consider this one. What people say. Does what it says it does. Pretty reliable as long as you don't have a bundle of wires in the same run. If you can separate the ends, then it works better. Perfect for my needs. I've used this one for network cables and car wiring, and it works great. Easy to use, works well. It's also nice to have the tone finder and the cable tester in one tool. Number 1. Triplett 3388 Fox and Hound Wire Tracing Kit. This is the Triplett 3388 Fox and Hound Wire Tracing Kit. It's designed to make wire tracing easier. It helps you find wires quickly and efficiently. The kit can trace live circuits, including both 120 VAC and 220 VAC circuits, up to 250 VAC. It's a versatile tool for various electrical tasks. The Fox hotwire generates multiple tones, including pulse or warble. It also provides visual and audible continuity tests, integrating Triplett's TrueTrace and TripLatch tests. The Hound hotwire is a battery-operated, handheld probe. It features a thumbwheel sensitivity control and an LED signal strength indicator, making it easy to use. You can locate wires through drywall, plaster, wood, and even cement. It can locate buried wires up to 6 inches deep and trace wires up to 1,000 feet. What we like. This kit is designed for live circuit tracing, making it safe and efficient. It offers multiple tones and adjustable sensitivity for versatile use. If you are an electrician and need to trace wires in live circuits, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. I used this unit to trace a ridiculously long bedroom circuit that had a mystery short. I traced something close to 200 foot of 15 gauge, including through a section of 18 concrete floor that has a 6-inch topping slab on 2 inches of foam insulation over it, and also through about 50 of 12-inch concrete wall, loaded with double rebar. The live wire function works flawlessly, the tone generator is adequately loud and discernible, and I got much more use out of the continuity tester than I imagined, mainly because it was already connected to the wires, versus disconnecting and clipping up my multimeter. This is a pretty good unit for tracing wires behind the walls and through the attic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.